Did you know the UAE stock market has quietly outperformed the US and Indian markets this year? Yes, you heard that right. Dubai's DFMGI index is up by 17.46% and Abu Dhabi's FADGI index has gained 8.90% year till date. Compare that to the US S&P 500 which gave just 6.68% and India's Nifty which returned 5.69% at the time of recording of this video. That's huge for UAE stock market, right? So if you have been thinking about investing in UAE stock market but feel confused about which stocks to pick, or if you don't have enough capital to buy 10 to 20 different companies, I have a good news. In this video, we will talk about a smart solution known as ETFs, exchange traded funds. We will cover what is an ETF, why ETFs are ideal for beginner and passive investors, risks you should know about ETFs, what the ETF landscapes looks like in UAE, and 5 ETFs focused on UAE companies. Plus, how you can buy ETF easily through your UAE broker. Let's jump in. Imagine a basket filled with different investments: stocks, bonds, gold, and real estate. That basket is an ETF. You are not buying one apple, a single stock. You are buying entire fruit basket, a mix of many companies. So instead of choosing between Imar, Adnog, or Salik, you invest in a basket that has all of them. ETFs track a market index which is just average price of all the assets inside it. When the index goes up, your ETF values goes up, and when it drops, ETF follows. Let's say you want to invest in UAE stock market. You have two options. Pick individual stocks that require research, time, and big capital for diversification. Or buy mutual funds, professionally managed but come with higher fees. But here comes the ETF, a third smart way. Here is why ETFs are a win for you. First, diversification made easy. Invest in one ETF and instantly get exposure to 20 to 30 companies or more. If one company performs badly, other can balance the loss. Second, low cost. No sales load like mutual funds. It has passive structure, mean lower management fees. Third, flexibility and liquidity. Buy and sell anytime during market hours. Use technical and fundamental analysis just like stocks. Fourth, transparency. You can always check which companies are inside your ETF on your broker app or ADX or DFM website. Fifth, start small. Many UAE brokers allow monthly investment plan starting with just 500 dirhams. As no investment is without risk, ETFs are great but not perfect. Here is what to watch out for. One risk with ETF is that since ETFs are passively managed, they don't react quickly to bad performing companies. Unlike mutual funds, there are no fund manager actively replacing weak stocks. Another concern is liquidity. Some ETFs have low trading volume, that means you want to sell, you may have to wait for a buyer. Always check the average trading volume before buying. And of course, market risk always exists. If the index your ETF tracks goes down, your ETF value will also fall. So always research your ETF choices or consult a licensed financial advisor before investing. The UAE has growing ETF market with listing on both Abu Dhabi's ADX and Dubai's DFM stock exchanges. But here's something most investors don't know. UAE listed ETFs are not limited to UAE companies. You can find ETFs tracking global markets like the US, India, Japan, Germany, Saudi Arabia, China, and more. You can view full ETF data anytime on ADX or DFM website or through your UAE broker platform. But if you specifically want to invest in UAE listed companies like Imar, Adnog, Aldar, Salik, or Do, then here are 5 ETFs focused on UAE company and how they have performed so far in 2025. Let's start with DFM listed ETFs. Number 1, Camara S&P UAE UCITS ETF accumulating class. Symbol by which you can search this ETF in your broker account is CHAE. This ETF tracks the S&P UAE BMI Liquid 2035 capped index, which includes 30 major UAE listed companies. They have AUM, asset under management, of worth 3.4 million dirhams. It reinvests your dividend automatically to grow your holdings. and year till date returns are approximately 23%. Number 2, Camara S&P UAE Sharia ETF Income Class. Symbol of this ETF is CHAESHIN. This ETF focuses only on Sharia compliant companies in the UAE and pays you dividends. Its benchmark is the S&P UAE Sharia Liquid 3520 capped index. AUM is 8.23 million dirhams. Year till date return around 19.12% with a dividend yield of 3.15%. Now let's move to ADX listed ETFs. Number 3 is Chimera FTSE ADX 15 ETF of income class. Symbol is CHADX 15. This ETF tracks the top 15 companies on Abu Dhabi index based on the FTSE ADX 15 index. AUM is 258 million dirhams. And year till date return is 6.81% with a dividend yield of 1.24%. Number 4 is Chimera S&P UAE UCITS ETF from income class. Symbol is UAED. This is the dividend paying income class variant of the first ETF CHAE that we discussed, and it also tracks the S&P UAE BMI Liquid 2035 capped index. AUM is approx 167 million dirhams and year till date return is about 20% with a dividend yield of 3.12%. And last, number 5, Chimera S&P UAE Sharia ETF from accumulating class. Symbol is UAEA. This is the reinvesting and accumulating class variant of DFM listed Sharia ETF CHAESHIN and tracks the same S&P UAE Sharia index. AUM is approximately 150 million dirhams and year till date return is around 19.65%. And for all these 5 ETFs, there is 1% expense ratio applicable that company offering these ETF deduct when you book profit in these ETFs. So if you compare these ETFs with broader UAE index or even the S&P UAE liquid and Sharia indices, you will notice that most of the ETF have performed better so far this year and provide a decent downside protection through diversification. Buying ETFs in the UAE is simple. Open an account with UAE registers broker, log into your broker app or web platform like International Securities, Fab Securities. Search for the ETF by its symbol, for example CHAE or UAED. Click on the ETF name, click on buy, enter the number of units you want and place your limit order. That's it. You are now investing in a diversified portfolio of UAE companies. ETFs are the smart way to start. The UAE ETF market is growing fast and it's open to everyone. Whether you are saving for retirement or your child's education or just want to build wealth step by step, ETFs can help you get there with lower effort, lower risk, and higher flexibility. And the best part, you can start with just 500 dirhams. So don't wait. Learn more, talk to your financial advisor, or you can connect with us and start building your ETF portfolio today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Invest Money UAE and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more simple and practical investing tips. Thanks for watching and happy investing.